Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to another Stock Talk Daily Analysis. Today I'm only covering four stocks. We got Apple, BA, AMD, and Tesla. All great stocks to trade. They all had huge movement. AMD has 7.5% gain. Tesla had 13. BA went down 2.6, and Apple has 3% gain. So huge day for all those stocks. Also for BA, I'll show you what I was doing. I actually made money off BA even though it went down because I'm actually shorting the stock for BA, and then I'll tell you why I'm doing that in a second. I'm gonna start with AMD. As you can tell, the purple lines right here are the bottom and top support lines, and the medium is the green line is what I call the medium average, where it usually hits this more often than not. So let's find the high up here, let's find the low, and let's find the average. Okay, so the way I trade, guys, and I'm gonna keep saying this as much as I can, when it's over here, this is high, and when it's over here, this is low. So you should be buying in this range whenever it gets here, right? And then you should be selling at this top range whenever it gets here. Now, this was a very unique. So this is what we call a break in the support line. So yeah, you could have sold here, okay, and then you notice that it doesn't go back down, right? Because this is the high, and then now we have created a new trend. Yeah, how crazy is that? So new trends happen. Right here, we have a trend, this little triangle, and then we have a break right about here, and then we create a new trend. So new trends are always being created. And you always want to be on the lookout for those. So we have a new trend right here, and what this means is we gotta now make new lines. So here we go. Now for now, I only have a top and bottom support line. The reason I use this top support line, and I've had this actually before, as soon as it started breaking out, I was like, oh shit, sorry, let me see. So I made this line, and I knew it was going to hit here, and it did. So I sold here, because I'm like, oh, this is very easy sell. I saw a break, and I wasn't like, oh, let me buy as soon as it breaks. I kind of give it like 5 minutes. So I'm like, all right, let me see what happens. Okay, so it's going back down. It hit 78, and then off the sun, this was my buying indicator right here that this stock was gonna keep going up. This little green candle, huge green candle. It breaks the high, and then we keep going higher. So at this point, I knew this stock was gonna go up, and I rebought AMD, and I went long for AMD for the rest of the day. So AMD, I think honestly that this is a very weak trend. I think we might see something like a U shape, and we might go back down to 79. I'm not for sure, um, but I also don't have much money into AMD right now. I kind of took most of my profit right here. This was just a small buy, and I'm kind of looking to sell if it goes below 81 point. Honestly, below 81.85. That's my limit, and I'm still making money. So that's if it goes up, well done. So next we have BA. So let's see. BA was kind of crazy today. So okay, here we go. So this is today. Nope, I did not want to make this line. So BA, I took. Oh wow, BA had a crazy day. So this is a green line I have drawn for like. This has been here for the longest time. You can see how this just continuously hits this green line. So I know that this green line is a support, and whenever it touches it, whatever direction it jumps, most likely will stay in that direction. So let's see. BA opened right at 183, and then just came crashing down. And I've had a short since all the way up here from yesterday, because I knew that it was gonna hit this green line, and then so I was still holding on to this, and I was kind of holding on to this. I was like, I woke up today, I was like, oh shoot, I'm losing a lot of money, and then all of a sudden I'm like, oh shit, I'm making a lot of money, and I kept holding on to this because as soon as we broke this green line, I knew this was going down, and it just continually went down, and then it created something called peaks for me, which makes this very easy to sell. So we have one peak here, one peak here, one peak here. I drew a line right across those peaks, and I knew to um, buy to close my shares that I was going short right about 174, 150, and then as soon as that happened, the stock immediately went up, and I made a really good call because I'm making these decisions on the spot that are saving me lots of money. Okay, Now this is BA. Honestly, BA. I already sold it. I I'm not looking to trade BA right now. Most likely, and this might go back up to this green line. So like I said, it kind of like likes to bounce around this green line, but it could also hit this. This was also a huge support. This yellow, this white line. So that's kind of the reason I'm not trading it right now. Next we have Apple. Now this is a great chart. Um, Zoom out just a little bit, just a little bit. No, I guess not. Let me do two. Let me do 3 minutes, so we can fit the whole image in here. All right, perfect. So this is Apple. Ever since Apple got to this support line right here, it has been holding this support line very strong. I bought this last night right up here. I still have these screen lines from yesterday. Remember how I told you it was going to hit 450? I was completely right. So let me just erase those because they're kind of in the way. And boom, 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 and then I save my chart. Boom. And this doesn't have to be here, but it's not bad. So I kept saying this is a good buy line. Anywhere below, anytime it gets close to this line, it's really good buy. So I bought this right here for 438 before the market closed, and I was like, alright, this is definitely gonna go back to 450. I feel really good about it, and today I held on to this, and it went right back to 450, and it was a very easy call. And then I sold as it was breaking down at 451. So not only did I hold it past 450, but I held it to 451 and made some decent change. And then I kind of just walked away from it. And it's very easy what I'm doing, guys. I'm just looking to find trends, and I'm selling when they break that trend because it's safe and I know it works. Lastly, we have Tesla. Tesla was going down pretty hard, honestly. It was just I kept saying it's gonna hit 1200, but they announced just like Apple, a stock split. I think it's 7-1. It's something ridiculous, and the stock just jumped up. And I think we are definitely gonna be hitting 1600. And I bought this right at the open because I have a friend who trades Tesla very often, and he kind of gave me a heads up that this was gonna happen. And I'm on StockTwit, so I kind of like keep up on what's going on. And I immediately knew that Tesla was a good buy in the morning for options, and I made a really good choice because I made a shit ton of money on Tesla. And I'm still hoping to hit 1600 to sell. And that's what I'm planning on doing for tomorrow. I'm definitely thinking of selling at 1600, just because we have this fat purple support right here where it hits here and here. It could easily break, but I'm going to keep it safe, and I really just want to take that money that I gained and sell it. Alright guys, so like I said, I want to keep this video short, only cover 4 stocks, AMD, Tesla, BA, and Apple. If you guys have any additional questions, let me know. I know there's a person who was trading Nvidia. I just want to do that really quick. It was looking really down. Let's see what day is today. It's the 12th, and that's it. Boom. This had a massive jump, and it is looking super good right now. If this keeps holding, if this goes over 460, Nvidia is going to look really good for tomorrow. Um, so yeah, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys had a great day today, and I hope you guys have another good day tomorrow. But thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And I appreciate you guys for following me and giving me guys more views, more likes, and giving me comments. You guys have been great. Thanks, guys.